In this video, I will show you how to remove places from Google Maps. So if you want to remove a place from Google Maps, then this video is for you. So first of all, we're going to open our Google Maps. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on Google Maps, and then we are going to select a location that we want to remove. So I'm just going to pick something really random. Let's say we have this restaurant in here. Then I'm going to zoom into this because let's say this is not existing anymore or it is a fake location and you want to remove it. Then you're going to zoom into that location. And then at the bottom right, you're going to click on contribute. And then once you are in here, you can just go ahead and click on update place in here. And once you do that, you are going to select the place. So that's this location in here. Then you're going to click on next. And once you do that, you will see a lot of things and a lot of information about this place. And then you see this option down below, place is closed or not here. So if you want to remove a place, then you're going to click on this. And then you will have a couple of reasons that you can fill in why you want to remove this place. So it can be temporarily closed, permanently closed, that it doesn't exist, that's a duplicate, offensive, not open to the public, or move to a new location, or other. So go ahead and fill in your location, and you can also add in some evidence with photos or something like that. And then you can just go ahead and click on submit at the bottom right. And once you do that, you will submit this removal request, and that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.